Hello my fellow viewers, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today we'll be doing some work on this Pearl Magna. All right, we are having some issue with the front wheel. Let's get straight into the video, guys. Okay guys, so as we see here, there's a lot of play or movement that's is in the front wheel. So we're going to remove the wheel and see what we can do on it. Alright, so I'm using a 5/8 spanner here. You can also use a 15 spanner. Alright guys, so please use the correct tool for the job. You can also use an adjustable. Alright guys. What we're looking here is a worn cage bearings, so we're going to remove the cage and use the bearing single. Alright guys, you don't want to have this in your wheel. Okay guys, you don't want to have the worn fittings as well in your wheel, so you want to ensure that all the parts are smooth. Alright guys, ensure all the parts are smooth. And just like that guys, we've successfully completed the front wheel. Alright.